Flight BA-245 to New York has been delayed.
Oh, delayed again.
Well, this is just perfect. Flight delayed by 3 hours.
Actually, this is great. I have so many preposition questions.
Vincent, you followed me to the airport?
Of course, you're my teacher. Where you go, I go.
That's slightly concerning, but okay. What happened now?
I texted my boss yesterday. I'll see you in the office on 3 p.m. in Wednesday on the 3rd floor.
Vincent, you told him you'd be trapped inside the office building, standing on top of 3 o'clock, balanced on Wednesday like a surfboard, while somehow on the 3rd floor?
I was being detailed.
You were being terrifying. What did he say?
Just one word. What?
So you clarified?
I tried. I wrote, sorry, I mean at the office in 3 p.m.
Ooh, oh no.
He replied, Vincent, are you okay? Should I call someone?
He thought you were having a stroke.
I panicked and sent, office, tomorrow, 3, like a caveman.
All right, you know what? Since we're stuck here anyway, let's fix this once and for all. Hey everyone, welcome to Mind Your English. I'm Kathy, and yes, we're recording from an airport lounge because my flight delays are apparently Vincent's learning opportunities.
I'm Vincent, living proof that 3 tiny words can ruin your life.
Today, in, on, and at. We're going to break this down with real stories, clear rules, and by the end, you'll never mess these up again. Quick note, we release new episodes every Monday through Saturday, so subscribe if you want to keep learning without the boring textbook stuff. Now, Vincent's most embarrassing story.
Do we have to?
Oh, yes. So, Vincent finally asked out his coworker, Sarah.
Who I'd been crushing on for months.
Then Sarah said yes.
Miracle!
Then Vincent sent her the plans. Read the text.
Hi, Sarah. Let's meet on the restaurant in 7 p.m. on Main Street. I'll wait in you in the parking lot.
Every single preposition is wrong.
What?
You said you'd meet her on the restaurant, like standing on the roof.
I meant at the restaurant.
And in 7 p.m. You're trapped inside the hour like a time traveler.
That sounds cool, though.
And then, I'll wait in you.
I meant wait for you.
But you said in, like you'd be inside her body.
I was mortified.
Sarah called immediately.
Vincent, are you okay? Should I call someone?
I yelled, no, at the restaurant at 7 p.m. I'll wait for you.
Better.
But then I added, see you in Saturday.
No!
She said, do you mean on Saturday, Vincent?
Patient woman.
I said, yes, on Saturday. English hates me personally.
Did she go?
Yes. We've been together 6 months.
She's a keeper.
She thinks my mistakes are cute, but I still want to fix them.
Then let's teach you the system. Time prepositions have a pattern. Think of it like zooming in with a camera. In is longest, most general time. On is medium, days and dates. At is most specific, exact time.
Examples.
At 3 p.m., at midnight, at noon. On Monday, on January 5th, on my birthday. In April, in 2024, in summer. You zoom in from general to specific.
So for meeting plans, in April, on Monday, at 3 p.m.
Perfect. You're zooming in.
But why at night instead of in the night?
Because English is chaos. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night, no logic. Just memorize it.
English, chaos disguised as a language.
Now Vincent's airport disaster from last month.
Do we have to tell this?
Yes. Vincent was meeting his friend Tom at an airport and texted, "I'm in the airport, in Terminal B, in Gate 5. Where are you?"
What's wrong?
Tom replied, "I'm at the airport, at Terminal B entrance. Are you past security?"
Yes.
But Tom was at the entrance. Different locations.
We texted for 30 minutes. I kept saying, I'm in Gate 5. He kept saying, I'm at Terminal B.
Because in means physically inside the gate area, past security. At means the general location point.
How did we finally meet? I sent, Starbucks, come.
Caveman Vincent.
My emergency communication method.
But you can't live like that. Let me teach you place prepositions. Place prepositions work on dimensions. At is a point, like a dot on a map. On is a surface, 2 dimensions. In is enclosed space, 3 dimensions.
Examples.
At the restaurant, at work, at home, at the entrance.
Why at home, not in home?
Because home is abstract. It's a concept. But you can say in the house for the physical building.
Okay.
On the table, on Main Street, on the 5th floor. In the office, in London, in the car, in my pocket.
Wait, on the bus but in the car?
Transportation exception. In the car, small and enclosed. On the bus, on the train, on the plane, bigger with aisles.
Makes no sense.
None, but that's the rule. Right now, we're at the airport, sitting on chairs in Terminal B.
I understand.
But wait, there's one more disaster you need to hear.
What disaster?
Last week, your boss asked you to be on time for the meeting.
Yeesh, I was on time.
You arrived at 9:02. The meeting started at 9.
Exactly, I was in time.
No, Vincent. On time and in time are different.
What?
On time means exactly at the scheduled time, punctual, 9 o'clock sharp. In time means before the deadline. You made it before it ended.
So I was in time but not on time?
Exactly. You told your boss, "Don't worry, I'm always in time." He said, "Vincent, the meeting started 2 minutes ago." You said, "Yes, but I'm in time. I'm here before it ends."
Oh no, he wanted me on time.
He wanted you punctual at 9 o'clock.
I thought they meant the same thing.
Nope. The train is on time means it's arriving exactly when scheduled. I arrived in time for the train means I made it before it left.
2 words, completely different meanings. English is a nightmare.
But now you know. Let me give you memory tricks so you never forget. For time, think zoom levels. At, exact moment, closest. On, specific day, medium. In, longer period. For place, think dimensions. At, point, 0. On, surface, 2. In, space, 3. Memorize these. At night, exception, no logic. At home, always. On time, punctual. In time, before deadline.
Quiz me.
Where are we?
At the airport, on chairs, in Terminal B.
When's our flight?
At 5 p.m., on Saturday, in February.
Will you be on time?
I'll be in time. Wait, no, I'll be on time.
Perfect! All right, quick recap. Time. At for exact times, on for days, in for longer periods. Place. At for points, on for surfaces, in for enclosed spaces. Bonus, on time versus in time.
Will I still make mistakes?
Probably, but now you know why they're wrong.
The goal?
Communication. Even with mistakes, people understand you. Sarah still went on that date.
True.
Before we go, drop a comment and tell us one common preposition mistake you were making all this time. We read every comment.
And if this helped, share it with someone who's struggling with prepositions. That's how we reach more learners.
We're tackling phrasal verbs in next episode. The secret code natives use.
Give up, put up with. They don't mean what they sound like.
See you in the next one.
BA 245 now boarding.
That's us!
Okay, let's go!
This way to the gates.